To purchase Stokes on Crypto.com. A new feature recently introduced by the platform. Users must be citizens of the USA, UK, or Canada. The process begins by locating the Stokes tab, which is situated at the top of the Crypto.com app, alongside options like NFT or crypto. After clicking on this tab, users will be guided through the necessary steps to create a Stokes account. And upon completion, they will receive a notification when they are ready to start trading. Buying Stokes involves navigating to the Stokes screen, selecting the desired Stokes or ETF, and clicking the Buy button. Users must then choose their payment method, specify the purchase amount, and review the order details before confirming and verifying the transaction. Once these steps are completed, the Stokes purchase will be finalized, allowing users to start trading.